Hey guys, so I have got the fourth generation of iPad Air and I've got two cases that I'm going to be talking about and will tell you which one is the best one according to me. So this is one case which has a hard back case and the iPad fits into it, gives it protection from all the sides, even from the corners, and also has got a magnetic cover which is useful in waking up the iPad. When you open it, the iPad wakes up because of the magnets in this flap. So this one costs around 600 rupees, and the second cover I have got is from the same company, Pro Elite, but it is a magnetic cover. It is almost double the price of this one, so it's available for rupees 1200 or 1100 depending on when you are watching it. At the time of making this video it was around 1200 rupees. I'll put the link in the description so that you can check it out yourself. The quality of this is obviously better than this one because you are paying double the money, but there are some benefits of having magnetic cover for the iPad. One of it is it also has got a separate flap which can be useful if you have got Apple Pencil, so it protects that as well, and it also has got magnets so it can stick at the front and protects the Apple Pencil, or you can fold it like that and it sticks at the bottom, which also has got magnets, so it does not interfere in using your iPad. One downside of this magnetic iPad cover is that it does not protect the edges of your iPad in case if it falls even from a height of 1 or 2 feet. But then again, it also gives you access to the power button that you can use it with the case on. So I'll put this iPad into the Pro Elite cover, which has got a hard back case. Good thing about this case is that it protects the iPad from all the corners. So if you're someone who drops their devices, iPads, it is much safer than the magnetic one because it will be protecting the iPad from the sides as well. Once you have snapped it on, it is quite sturdy. It won't fall off easily, and even if you drop it, it has got some protection on the edges, so it does not give dent to the iPad. Both the covers are slim. This one is also slim. This one also has got magnets on the front area, so the wake up and sleep function works as intended, and once you put this back you can use it normally. It has got 3 folds, so it can also be used as I have got this separate keyboard. I've also reviewed it. It's Logitech K350, I think. This can be connected to laptops and 3 devices, and you can switch between all the 3 devices. So this is how it would look if you use it for typing purpose, but we are just looking at the covers. Quality of this cover is also good according to the price you are paying. I think it is much better than the other covers I have used in the past. For 600 rupees or 550, whatever the price is, it is much better quality and protects your iPad from all the sides. Only downside is if you want to take it out, it is quite difficult. That's actually a good thing about cover, is that it does not get off easily, so it will protect in case of accidents, but if you want to take the case out, it is so difficult. I mean, I fear that it will give scratches to the iPad, and I'm someone who uses the iPad indoors and I keep my devices with great care, so I don't need this kind of protection. That's why I like the magnetic one. I'll show you in a moment. Let me take it out. It's not so easy to take out. Like I said, okay, so I took it out with great care, but it still took me some effort to take it out. So you cannot do it every now and then, every week or so. And I like to keep my devices clean, so I want to do it. I want to keep it clean. I want to clean it every once in a while. If you're someone like that, then this is not a good choice. But if you drop your iPads, then this hard case one will save it from the sides. Talking about the magnetic one, this one is my favorite because it does not take any effort to take it out. Like, I have snapped it, and since it is magnet, it is able to adjust accordingly. And now this can be closed like this, and I can keep it like this. If I talk about the build quality, it is much smoother than this cover. It is little rough, it is smoother, but in some cases rough is much better than a smooth cover, but this one is smooth cover, and if you're someone who takes their devices with great care, then this is recommended. And if you got Apple Pencil, then obviously this one, because it will also protect the Apple Pencil. And if you don't have Apple Pencil, you can keep this cover like this. Since this one also has got magnet, the wake up function works as intended and there is no issue. The bad thing about this magnetic case, or all the magnetic cases, is that it does not protect the iPad from the sides, because if it falls, the impact will be on the iPad and it might get dents. Now talking about using it in stand mode, this has got 3 folds, so you can fold it like this and use this one in stand mode, or if you want to type, you can use a keyboard and then type. So these functions are available in both the keyboards, and the fact that this one is magnetic keyboard does not mean that it does not give you any protection at all, and it will fall off the cover if you do like this. The magnets are strong and they are easily able to hold the iPad even if I'm shaking, but you have to be careful if you're using magnetic keyboard, because magnets are magnets. There are no additional forces to hold the iPad in place. But this also means that you will also be able to easily take the iPad out of the case without any effort. So if you want to use it like this, it is much better to hold, and if you're in bed, you may not need a case or a cover. So this magnetic cover makes it easy to take off the iPad with no effort at all. Which cover you like the most? Let me know in the comments. This one or this one. This gives you a little bit extra protection, but not easy to take it off if you want to do it. And this one gives you that option to take it off to clean the iPad and use it without the case, but is also giving less protection. $599, $1199, so double the price. So this is it. I hope this makes it easy for you to take the decision which cover case to go for your iPad. Thanks for watching.